Hadian belayo ia kajing pentikna lo kajing Ïohpang polio na kedawai tika hai kelung badang asnem kerta ha tikri kila ha West Garo Hills District ke kenhun na ke World Health Organization WHO kala le Ïuhkjat chakane ke snong bat kala lum nomuna ru nagi kena red jong kane ke snong katkum kajing yatu jong uram kumar s ubadeyu sketri jong katnat ke kot ke khia kane ke kenhun kala penpau ia kajing don kam ban but dian kambanya aki katu kat ni teli ke benta jong ke Jylla hakane kajing le Ïuhkjat jong ki ke kenhun WHO kala shemru badon kajing pang measles rubella lanin nyang persit hakane ke than ke kenhun WHO kala lum apa prateli ki nomuna na ki kena red ha ki snong ki bala syakta bat omdon iweru na pedeng jongki ki bayo e kajing pang polio ki he ki han ketnat ke kot ke khia ki labut din thik pathek ban pentikna ba ki lat Jingjia ki long ki bala bet labiang lut baro.
19th of August itself. They've received it on 19th actually. That particular case, whether we have got some reports from whether the child had immunity and etc. It seems to be okay, and there is a certain protocol. Once a certain value of vaccine-derived polio or any kind of polio is reported, there is a protocol from WHO as well as from Ministry of Health to do certain level of sampling in the villages for the children, as in screening nearby, everything. So all of these things have already been done. And we had collected about 28 samples, children samples from the village, and none of them have had any, they all turned out negative for any polio. So there is no issue about it. It seems to be a very segregated case of this particular child.
Kayeng kasem